So today our topic is mirror equation. So here the mirror is it is a concave mirror. It is a concave mirror. The outer part is coated here and the inner part is the reflecting surface. So already the midpoint of the mirror is called as the pole and it is the center of the curvature. And next here I am taking an object is AB here. AB is an object and the object height is here H, if suppose. So the light will be fall on this object. So I will take considering three light rays. So one will be parallel to the principal axis. So what is the principal axis? It is the line passing center of the curvature and pole. It is called as the principal axis. So when the first ray is passing parallel to the principal axis, then it is reflected through focus and it will be coming like this. So it is the like this. And the second ray is will be incident on at pole and it will be reflected like this. So at pole, according to the law of reflection, incident angle is equal to, here this is the reflection angle. And third ray is passing through center of curvature and again it will be reflected back to the center of curvature. First one is parallel and it will be coming pass through the focus, and the next second one will be the incident at P and it will be reflected like this, and third one will be the center of curvature. You have to considering these three rays. So all these three reflected and they will be converging at a point. So this point we are getting the image, but this image is we are getting it is the object AB. This object image we are getting here, that is a B dash A dash. AB is the object and the image of this object is here B dash A dash. But this image will be inverted, that means reverse lo undamma ikkada image meeku ee object ki ikkada image ane reverse lo undi. Here you have to take the object beyond C and mana center of curvature ki mundu teeskunte manaka image ekkada vastundante we are getting the image in between of the center of curvature and focus. So here you are getting the image. So ikkada image object yokka distance, every distance is measured from pole, but here the object is located left side. That means all the distances are you have to take an left side is in a negative sign. So the object distance is equal to here BP is the object distance is equal to minus U, and the image distance is at B dash P. We are getting the B dash P is equal to minus V, and here what is the focal length? F2P is the focal length. FP is equal to minus F. F2P is equal to. So then what is the relation between this U, V, F is given by the mirror equation. So for that purpose we can considering similar triangles. What are the similar triangles? First similar triangle is here A dash B dash F and another for this MFP. So again I will draw here. So it is the B dash F and it is the P and it is M and it is upon A dash. So how to say these are the similar triangles means, so if suppose these are the two rays, if suppose these are the two rays, if suppose these two will be enlarged, means here this angle is increases, this angle is increases, automatically these two heights will be same manner increases. So automatically here angle, these two opposite angles are same, and if suppose these two opposite angles are increases, automatically M2P and B dash to A dash distance will be increases. Okay, then these height ratios, that means if suppose B dash A dash by MP, this ratio is equal to the ratio of these two, that means ratio of B dash F by fp. సో b డాష్ a డాష్ టు m2p రేషియో అనేది ఇక్కడ b డాష్ f fp రేషియోని ఏమొస్తుందంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ యొక్క కండిషన్. సో ఇక్కడ 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుందమ్మా. ఈ యాంగిల్ సేమ్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 90, ఇది 30, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుందమ్మా అంటే 60 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ 30, ఇక్కడ సేమ్ యాంగిల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 90 ఉంది. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది యాంగిల్స్ ఇన్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 డిగ్రీస్. సో ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఈ 2 యాంగిల్స్, సో ఈ 3 యాంగిల్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే సేమ్గా ఉన్నాయి. దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ సేయింగ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. సో దీని యొక్క రేషియో ఇక్కడ ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఇక్కడ ఈ యాంగిల్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆటోమేటికల్గా దీని యొక్క హైట్ యొక్క రేషియోని ఇక్కడ ఈ యొక్క సైడ్ రేషియోని ఏం చేస్తుందంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్ m2p distance is nothing but object distance. That means b dash a dash upon mp is equal to, mp is nothing but b dash a dash by ba. It is balanced. So that is equal to here b dash f. But here b dash f distance you don't know. What is the b dash f distance is equal to here? How to get it? B dash f distance means b dash p distance you know. What is that b dash p distance? It is the image distance. So b dash p, in that you have to subtract the f2p. F2p is nothing but the focal length distance. So minus f2p. సో ఈ డిస్టెన్స్లోంచి ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు b డాష్ f డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుందమ్మా. b డాష్ f డిస్టెన్స్ బై fp. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 1. అండ్ యూ కెన్ కన్సిడర్ ద అనదర్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ దట్ ఈస్ abp and a dash b dash p. So I will draw here. It is a b p, and here for this b dash a dash p. Here it is the angle of incidence and it is the angle of reflection. So these two are same. If that means here we can if suppose here you can increase this angle, automatically this angle is increases. Why? Because according to the law of reflection you can increase this angle, automatically this angle is also increases. Why? Because these two will be same. సో ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంటే ఈ యొక్క హైట్ సేమ్ రేషియోలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో అండ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో 90 డిగ్రీస్, హియర్ ఆల్సో 90 డిగ్రీస్. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ దీస్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. So from this condition, these height ratios, that means what are the height ratio here? Same manner, b dash a dash upon ba. వీటి యొక్క హైట్ రేషియోను ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ రేషియో అంటే ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్కి ఈ సైడ్, దట్ మీన్స్ b dash p టు ద bp. ఈ రెండింటి యొక్క రేషియో ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కండిషన్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ లెర్న్ ద సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, సో దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ equation 1 and 2 you can observe these two. So you are equating these two, we are getting b dash p by b dash p minus fp by fp is equal to b dash p minus fp by fp is equal to b dash p by bp. Okay, so from this diagram b dash p is nothing but image distance is the minus u. It is the minus u and again minus. And what is the fp? Fp is nothing but the focal length, and again it is the left side, that's why it is minus f upon again minus fp means minus f is equal to b dash p. B dash p is the image distance, it is also minus v, and again bp means the object distance, that is the minus u. So I will draw one wrong here. B dash p is the image distance, that is minus V, not U, sorry. So minus V minus Fp is the focal length, so it is the focal length, and again Fp, that's why minus F. So here how to change this equation? Minus V minus into minus plus F by minus F is equal to minus minus get cancelled, V by U. Okay, if suppose you are doing cross multiplication, this equation minus VU plus UF is equal to minus VF. Okay, so this equation is completely divided with UVF on both sides. UVF. What is the value we are getting? So here VU get cancelled. That means minus 1 by F. And here UF get cancelled, plus 1 by V is equal. VF get cancelled, minus 1 by U. So if you have to take 1 by F to the is equal to 1 by F, you will be take this side, that means 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, this is the mirror equation. Okay, so what I can do here, so first of all I will take an object beyond the center of curvature. We are getting the image in between of center of curvature and focus. So but the image will be inverted in manner. Okay, I am considering 3 rays. So first is parallel, another will be across the pole, another will be center of curvature. So all these 3 will be merging this point. So all these 3 will be converging this point. We are getting the image here. So I am considering the 2 similar triangles, and I can apply the ratio of B dash A dash by BA. B dash A dash by BA from this and from this. So I am equating, we are getting the condition like this. So it is the mirror equation. So in that subtopic, what is the linear magnification? It is indicated with the letter small m. Okay, from this triangle already we are getting A dash B dash A dash upon BA is equal to B dash P by BP. B dash A dash is nothing but the image height. It is the H dash you have to take. H dash, it is the H and it is the H dash you have to take in. So but it is in downward direction, that means negative. So minus H dash by, so B to A, it is the positive upward direction, that's why it is a plus H is equal to B dash P is the, again it is the left side, that's why minus V image distance, and B to P is the object distance. So H dash by minus H dash by H is equal to V by U. But what is the definition of the linear magnification? Means it is the ratio of the image height to the, so image height to the object height. From this, what is the value we are getting? If suppose this minus is, you have to take in that side, that's why H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. It is the linear magnification. Linear magnification. If so, here this negative sign indicates here the object, the image is inverted. Here negative sign is indicate the image is inverted. So this is about mirror equation. Okay, so by using this magnification, how to change their image height is, so object height along the image height, along the image height to the object height. సో ఒకవేళ ఇమేజ్ హైట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ఎలా ఉంటాయి వాల్యూస్ అనేవి మనకు ఈ యొక్క మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ బట్టి తెలుస్తుందమ్మా. ఓకే, సో మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ image height to the object height. Okay, bye students.